Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play FIFA offline. First, make sure your game is completely installed on your system, whether it's a console or a personal computer. Next, you'll need to disconnect your device from any internet connection. This can be done through your system's network settings. Finally, when you launch the game, you might see a prompt to connect to online servers. Simply cancel or decline this option to proceed into offline mode. Once offline, you have several engaging modes to choose from. Kickoff mode is perfect for quick, single matches against the computer, allowing you to pick any available team. For a deeper experience, dive into career mode, where you can manage a club or guide a player through their entire career, making strategic decisions over many seasons. You can also set up and play through custom tournaments. To sharpen your gameplay, explore the skill games and training arena, offering various drills to improve your passing, shooting, and dribbling. For a different pace, Volta Football brings street soccer to life with smaller pitches and unique rules, playable solo or with local friends. Even with an ultimate team, you can enjoy modes like squad battles, competing against AI-controlled teams. Many offline modes offer an authentic gameplay style, providing a more realistic and slower-paced simulation, perfect for strategic play. You can also customize various match settings, including difficulty levels and game speed, to suit your preferences. Playing offline ensures an uninterrupted football experience, free from online connectivity issues, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the game at your own pace.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.